All right, everybody. Thank you. Good afternoon. Thank you so much for joining us for another exciting webinar from Moldex 3D. We have our partner today, Cadence Design Systems, and Gaurav Ghosh is going to be presenting on designing reliable electronic components through injection gate optimization. Little bit of Gaurav's background. He's a lead application engineer in Cadence Design Systems. Gaurav has over 12 years of experience in research, analysis of FEA, of composite structures, material modeling, and computational mechanics. He has expertise in damage mechanics, composite material modeling, and additive manufacturing of composite parts. With that, I will pass it to Gaurav to take the lead and share this exciting webinar with us. Thank you, Gaurav.
Yep. Thanks, Harshal, for the introduction, and welcome everybody to this webinar. As Harshal mentioned, today I'll be talking about how to design reliable electronic components through injection gate optimization from a structural standpoint. Okay, so with that, I would start the presentation. So the agenda is like, first, I will start with the introduction, why we need such a kind of discussion today, why it is relevant, and what are the challenges that are faced by the industry, specifically in the electronic sector. But it is not only limited to that, it can be applicable for other like automotive sectors, for day-to-day use cases. And what are the solutions that we are providing, and I would highlight all of these things through a case study that we have done with Cadence solutions and Moldex 3D. And then I will discuss what are the results, what are the outcomes of that thing, how you can utilize those insights into your design considerations, and then finally I'll conclude the talk. So if you are working in an industry which is making any kind of physical part, so that can be in automotive, that can be in aerospace, energy, life sciences, marine, rail, material suppliers, or like electronics and appliances, you would need one thing for sure, that is material, because it is at the heart of any product. Specifically, today, we are going to talk about electronics and appliances, but as I showed, this can be applicable or translatable for all the other industries that I just highlighted here.